Here we come to the elevator at United Way here in Tucson. We're only going to take one ride on this because this elevator opens up right to a reception desk. It's your typical hospital-sized elevator. It's pretty modern. It was a modernized Dover. It was modded with vandal resistant. Can we go to R? Nope. Gotta go to key. You have to have a key to go to R. So let's go to 2. We're gonna get off here. Yeah, the guy up there saw me, so we're not gonna go back up. There it goes. And that's it.